garbage, so today we gotta go and get it out to the road. And I don't think I'll be taking the dogs with me this time. What's going on here? We're supposed to be getting snow and rain today, starting in 20 minutes, 10 minutes or whatever. Starting pretty quick. So I thought I'd take the opportunity to get up to the road and get rid of the garbage. Take you folks along with me. Then we'll come back. And I gotta remember this number, 26 3/4. I've got a board to cut. Oh, but he wants in here. It's strange, all the other doors that we got, when the dogs scratch them, it's kind of like they got a plastic coating on the outside. But this one, over there, well, I guess this one too, when they scratch it, they tear the, let's get this thing sorted out here. There. They tear the, or rip the paint off. Okay, so let's get going. Gotta go grab the garbage can. This is never easy holding onto a selfie stick. And then the head thing don't work very good. Alright, just checking, we got a good battery. Hang on here. There we go. Alright, let's get going. Oh, and we can get the mail at the same time. Geez, what luck I'm having. So let's get this out. There. I can hear the hounds at the frickin' firewood shed. Alright. One garbage. Not much in that garbage. I throw it out because there's usually a dead animal in there of some sort, being a squirrel or a, which is not too often, but usually there's a mouse in there. Oh, it's all froze up here. Right. What? There, that worked out. Okay, so let's stretch this thing out and see how that goes. Now I'm watching this guy on the internet, and with his camera, he could be on a quad or whatever, and he just sticks it out the window and off we go. My wife asked me if I fixed the snowman. I said, yeah, put it out already, I said. But she doesn't know where it is. She never asked, never bothered to look. Wow. It looks like it's starting to rain already. But we'll get rid of this first. And I've got to go and get, I can feel the rain. I got to get the another load of wood. And that's it. But already I have cut the vegetables up for the dogs. I have cut the meat up for the dogs. Next is mashing the food up. Come on, get on here. There. Oh, one letter. Oops, I'm sorry, I wasn't paying attention here. There we go. That's it, one letter. Alright. You see nice to see on the roof there. It's not all big bald spots, meaning that there's no insulation, but we're good. So next we'll drop this letter off to the, I think it's a Christmas card to tell you the truth. We'll get in there and get a load of wood. I should go and tip that bench up so nothing can sit on it. I normally store the bench in the garage, but I'm trying to get as much stuff out of the garage as I can. We're getting there, bit by bit. Looks like I'll have to do something about the snow here eventually. But we've got to pack it down first. It's got to be nice and hard before I take out that snow blower again. So let's just do this real quick. I'll shorten you up and I'll see if I can get you so that you can stay steady, and I'll get this stuff cleaned up as quick as I can here. Just get rid of some of that. Looks like ice. Well, as best as it's going to get, I guess. So we'll just stick you right there. There you go. It's shoveling this again. that's done for another day. And let's get the wipers picked up off of the Jeep so they don't freeze to the... Oh, these damn things are backwards. And I'll get the... There. You gotta pick them up or they freeze to the window. And then sometimes when you try to start it, what happens is it just freaking grinds away in there. And it's locked, which is good to see. So we'll get another one. A new skeleton. And we'll just clean it off as best we can. Should be pretty simple, actually. There we go. That one's done. So they get almost a daily occurrence here. You can see the rain's already frozen on the windows. See? Nobody likes cold hands getting in the Jeep. Alright, let's get this done. I can stretch this thing out. Alright. Yeah, right. You start at the top. And we get a roll. I just did this. This is the part that when my wife cleaned it off the other day, she didn't bother cleaning that. She just did the window and took off. Well, somewhere down along the road there, all of this stuff on the front must have lifted off and blew under the windshield. Why do I know that? I've done that. There we go. And the same thing with the roof. You got to clean the roof off in this province, I think. Some, maybe not, but I don't know. Some provinces you can get yourself into a horrible fine. Not only that, it's dangerous for the people that are traveling behind you. Those are words of wisdom from Mr. Bob. Alright. There. Now we'll just blow this stuff off the back. All over the window I cleaned up earlier. Alright. We're going to have on the community road here, we've put out a plea for some help. We have taken in a bag of old clothes that we're not wearing anymore for the homeless. They need towels, hats, scarves, gloves. So I might go through my old work gloves, even if they got a couple of holes in them, and I don't wear them. Somebody might wear them. All right. Okay, that's about done. You never know. You might have an emergency and you have to have the Jeep cleaned off. Well, we're ahead. enough. Okay, perfect. Alright, let's get rid of that stuff in there too. So I'll leave this here now, I think. Oh, no. I couldn't find it. Jeez. Where is it? It's not where it usually is. You know. So let's just put this thing away. There. And I want to get rid of these branches. Let's get rid of these too. When we have groceries coming from the city, I'd like to be able to, alright, we have the branches for groceries coming. A lot of times it's quick if we throw them in the cart. That way we can get the door closed. Okay, where's the Sammy? Is there one up there? Let's have a look. I don't see one. Storm, come on. You're a pain. You think you took a chunk out of ice? Oh, this is quite the freaking walk here. There. Storm is always, he goes for the back of the neck. And ice has got a big rip in him. When we take him to the groomer, we'll get our little lady to look at it. I don't see no squirrel, pal. By the way, Al, here's the back of the woodshed. You can't, or that's the only way in and out. That side and up on this side here. It's always open. I've been meaning to, but I haven't yet. Put screen up over that and keep them from getting in there. But then, where are they going to go next? Okay, so we're ready to come back in here. There. Okay. Let's get in here. There. Nice and dry again. Close this. And I might be done with the tarp. I'm just going to have a quick peek out here. Yeah, it's toboggan time. We don't need this anymore. Try to push this up out of the way somewhere. Just in the way again. Let's put her over here then. Okay. So, the snow has arrived, meaning I can now use a toboggan to load the wood up. Let me dry off here. That's not bad. So now we'll grab one of these and fill it up, but first I gotta sweep the stuff out of the way. You're off the, clean up the mess. And we'll go out and dump the ashes. I also did that, cleaned the glass in the fireplace today too. Oh, garbage, alright. There we go. That's done. Okay, I'm going to leave you in here. I'll be right back with the load of wood. that's the end of that. Now, let's go dump the ash. Alright, there we go. A bucket of this, which is getting safe to all go into the garden for next year. Hoodly. Oh yeah, good. Okay, here we go. Get back. Get back. Sounds like a Beatles song. All right. That should cool off real quick out here. And I'm good for another couple of weeks of lighting a fire. Next thing, let's finish dumping the wagon of all the junk that's in it. So I'll just put you. I suppose you can see maybe over here. Let's see what you can see before I walk off. Yeah, okay, enough. Let's get rid of that wagon. Put the wagon back here too. Oh yeah. There we go. It's out of the way. Good. Sand. All right. Okay. Let me put a bag of sand over here. Go with everything else. The wagon's cleared out. And we got a little bit of space left over there. Move this over. Salt and sand. Or whatever. Alright, we're good. Whew. So that's pretty well sums up this part. Next I gotta go in and hang that damn garland up. So, on this note, see you folks later. I'll go in and take my lunch now. And have a great day. Bye-bye.